Hey guys, so it is January 23rd at 10 o'clock in the morning and I have a dentist appointment today and I also have to go to the gym and then I'm going straight to Towson after the dentist. So I'm in a bit of a hurry, but I'm having breakfast right now. This is my new hair, obviously. Cat's out of the bag. If you guys follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you saw this a couple days ago. Perks of following me there. So I have a bundle of 22 and 20 in my hair. 2 of them, nothing else. They actually sent me 4 because I thought I was gonna need a bunch, but didn't end up needing that many. And there is a 3-part. So this is one of them. There's a middle one, and then there's one if I want to flip my hair on the other side. But I really, really like it. I think it actually looks pretty good on me. I was a bit worried, but I surprisingly enjoy the look of it. And I'm in manual focus for some reason. Let me know, Canon. So, yeah, I actually really like it. So eating my breakfast, and I'll probably check back in with you guys when I'm about to leave, perhaps. I don't know. I haven't done makeup yet. I just need to do my eyebrows and put mascara on for the gym because I feel more like a functional human being. So it is 10:45 and I'm about to head to the gym now. I'm supposed to squat. I'm having a little bit of lower back pain in my lower left side. I just got a random twinge, so that's fine. But I want to show you guys my outfit. These leggings are from Aerie. I got them months ago when I worked at Aerie. This was one of my free items that I got along with 17 others, but they're really cute, completely seamless. No camel toe, which is actually really nice. I love the waistband. Just wearing my over the knee socks because knee sleeves. I'm wearing my Flex Fit crop top that has a little tie at the bottom. This is a size small. They definitely don't sell these anymore, but Aerie's leggings are some of the best leggings out there. If you don't want to pay for Lululemon, I definitely recommend checking out Aerie. Not all of them are amazing because some of them end up falling apart pretty quickly over time, but this is what I'm wearing. And then I think I'm gonna wear my Ever Forward potato hat. It is honestly beautiful outside. Maryland is going through a spike in temperatures right now, so it's 60 degrees outside, and this is what I wish it were every single day, because this state is great, but the weather is just so bipolar. I'm somehow on time today, which is actually really nice. So it's 10:50. I was supposed to leave 2 minutes ago, but that's okay, not too bad. So we're gonna head to the gym. I'm squatting. I think I might foam roll before or something. Just trying to figure out what to do with my lower back because this bothering me a little bit. I kind of messed it up when I was squatting the other day. I was having a lot of issues bracing for whatever reason. So I overcompensated by using my lower back. That did absolutely nothing to my windows. Let me know. So I just finished up in the gym. It is now 12:41. So workout was absolutely amazing. I worked up to 160 for a double for squats, and I hit a new volume PR for front squats. I've never done more than 4 reps of 115, and today I hit 5. So honestly, when it comes to lifting, everything is so mental. So many people ask me, they're like, how do I move up in weight? And you just have to start from the very bottom. My max is 190, and 3 weeks ago I could barely squat 135 for more than 3 reps because I hadn't squatted for a month and I just took a lot of time off. So just know that everyone struggles with lifting, and that you're not the only one, and that it does, I'm sweating, and that it does get better over time. So if you're having some issues, don't worry about it. Just give it time. It's a marathon, now sprint is a huge quote that I really, really enjoy because it is so true. So if you're struggling and you just don't know where to start, just start with the lowest weight. When I started lifting, I started with 5-pound dumbbells for bicep curls, and I could barely get more than 3 reps on each arm, and now I can curl 25s. So I've been lifting for, what's it been, 2.5 years now? Has it? Yeah, almost 2.5 years now. So it just takes time. So just don't give up. Don't push yourself too hard. you want to push yourself, but you don't want to push yourself into getting injured, because I've done that in the past. And now I don't do it anymore, and I almost like don't do it enough, which is why today was so funny, because I went into the gym thinking like, oh, I don't know how this is gonna be. And then once I started squatting and I got through 135, which is like how I test how I think it's gonna feel, I was like, wow, that was actually pretty easy. I think I'm gonna be okay. So just don't stress over it, you know, like it's just exercising. It's not a huge thing. Even if you're competing, if you're following a program and you're doing what your coach is telling you, or you're doing what you told yourself you're gonna do, you're gonna be fine. And if you're not, then, you know, you'll just try again next time and you'll do better. So just start from the bottom and slowly work your way up to the top. When it comes to exercises, the weight that you use is going to be so different from everyone else, and it's going to depend on how long you've been lifting and how strong each muscle group is. For example, I could do a lot more weight for my glutes than I can my quads, because my glutes are just a more developed muscle and I get better recruitment from them. But I have been working on my quads. I started front squatting, and now I can do so many more reps of like leg extensions and everything just from incorporating front squats 1 to 2 times a week. So just work on your muscle groups and be patient. I've been lifting for so long and I still think my quads are so tiny, but when I look back at old photos, I'm like, wow, girlfriend, calm down. So I'm really happy with how this lift went. For accessories, I just did some face pulls with a band for my rear delts. And then I also did some Bulgarian split squats. I just I just held 10-pound plates in each hand, and I kept a really, really narrow stance and just kind of did a pulsing motion. So I believe I did 8 to 10 reps of that on each side, and I just did 2 sets of that because I was pretty dead from all the squatting that I did. Oh, you guys, I'm in such a great mood now. Now I have to go home, eat, and go to the dentist. How's it going?
Were you filming?
Yeah.
We're still filming.
I'm going to unbox my Elf Beauty Squad thingy while I brainstorm what I want to eat for lunch. So I'm thinking something that has like a lot of calories, because like I said, my mouth's gonna be numb for a while and I'm not supposed to eat anything solid until it starts fading away. So I started like a little earlier yesterday than I should have, maybe like an hour earlier, but I was kind of fine. But I had soup, that's pretty filling. So I think I will do like a protein shake or something. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so I have like all of the Elf skincare products at this point. My brother actually uses some stuff and he loves it. So if you guys have been wondering if it's good stuff, it is. I've used it, he's used it and seen a lot of results, so that's great. So this is a little card that they put in here. And then this one is saying Happy New Year. So we have the Elf Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection. This is a recharging magnetic mask kit. It's really just like a hard piece of plastic basically. And then this is the actual product. See, I loved their skincare stuff before, like the packaging, but now I like it even more because it has like the reflectiveness on it. So it's like gray. And then they sent me their Prep and Hydrating Balm. So I feel like I'm so weak when it comes to opening stuff like this. So I don't think I have this. I have like a moisturizing balm that they sent me a while ago that was like specifically for after a workout, but they sent me these charcoal hydrogel under eye masks, and they also sent me a hydrating water sheet mask. So I love masks like these because it's not like the actual mask that you put on the face. I love those too, but these are just so much easier because you just put it on and then you take it off. Huge thank you again to Elf for still sending me products even though there's absolutely no makeup on my channel at this point. So for lunch, I've decided that I'm going to have some shrimp. So this is already cooked. All I have to do is just thaw it. So I'm gonna throw that in the pan with this leftover frozen packet that I made for my full day of eating. If you guys watched that video, it's the baby broccoli blend. Wow, blend. It's got water chestnuts, edamame, carrots, broccoli. I think that's it. And then I'm also going to add half of an avocado, most likely, just to get some fat in there. And then I'm gonna use tons of this olive oil, not only because it's great, but because it has tons of fat in it. So this is like a garlic infused olive oil. So like always, there's 14 grams of fat in a tablespoon, and that's 120 calories. So huge tip, if you're having trouble upping your calories, add in like an olive oil, coconut oil, some sort of oil on the healthier side perhaps. That will help you increase your calories without even like adding something that is going to make you fuller. Like you aren't going to feel more full because you added oil to your food. So that's a great tip. And then I'm gonna have a scoop of my creatine. This side of my face is all numb, and we are heading to Chick-fil-A because I gotta pee and I'm actually allowed to eat right away. So we're gonna get fries and then head back. Traffic's not too bad yet. It's only gonna take about 10 minutes more than it would usually. So by the time I get out of Chick-fil-A, it'll probably be maybe 20 minutes more. So literally, I can't take myself seriously. So I just got 2 large fries because everything I do is over the top. So I'm gonna eat one in the car. Chick-fil-A fries are literally my favorite fries, and then I also got Chick-fil-A sauce. So yeah, let's see how long it says it's gonna take me to get to my apartment from this location, which is further than I was in the first place, which is great. Let's see. Okay, 36 minutes. It's really not that bad. That's surprising. Alrighty. Let's go.